Hello and welcome. In today's video I'll show you how to turn on the vacation responder feature, also called auto reply, in the Gmail app so you can automatically reply to emails while you're away. Let's get started. First, open the Gmail app on your phone. Next, tap the three-line menu in the top left corner. Then scroll down and tap on Settings. Now, select the account you want to set the auto reply for. Scroll down and find Vacation Responder, then tap on it. Here, toggle the switch to turn it on. Next, set the first day and, if you want, the last day for your auto reply. Then, type your subject and your message for the automatic reply. If you want the reply to be sent only to your contacts, make sure to check the box Send Only to My Contacts. When you're done, tap Done or Save at the top. And that's it, your vacation responder is now active, and Gmail will automatically send replies for you while you're away. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.